Hello friends, for day trading today I have selected Power Grid. As you know, Power Grid is a major stock from the energy sector and one of the major uh, stocks from Nifty 50 index. Here very first reason for selection of Power Grid is that even if this stock had shown some kind of presence of buyers in 5 minute time frame as you can see here, but I have actually witnessed some kind of shifting of momentum from buying to selling in 5 minute time frame. That is why I have made some bearish actually sentiment or the approach to trade this particular stock. So very first reason that I found is that this very sharp decline of the price, and this is the range. 1 minute, let me draw a horizontal line. Price has been pushed in that particular range. Yes. So these two ranges around 215 and 213, around 1 year, around 1% of this particular stock. So this range, as of now, it may act as a support or demand zone where buyers may present, but as soon as price was trying to go up, it was heavily rejected by the presence of strong sellers, or someone else is, or some big players are actually creating their position either in uh, upward direction or in the short side. So basic approach for this is that momentum of shifting of momentum from selling to from buying to selling. See here, this actually reason was actually price has covered this region from 5th of July till 8th of July. So around 3 days, price has uh, traded in this region and below this region. And here is the new support. So some kind of lag in the existing speed of the momentum that price was actually traveling with. So basically, momentum was actually slowed down because of presence of sellers and because of absence of buyers at this particular price for this particular stock. So as you know, in this kind of scenario in the market favors the bearish sentiment much more as compared to the buying sentiment. So most of the stock in the morning had shown buying momentum, but after some time, after 1 hour, 1.5 hour, again you can sort that particular stock. So same thing here. Here actually has worked for me also. I have some initial region that is buying momentum, and market was in green, stock was in demand zone. So all these three regions are actually were saying in the in the morning to me that it will go up. So I was waiting actually price to sustain over here above this high, at least this level, above this level. But in very first candle you can see unable to sustain above 215, and price was actually pushed back in this particular territory. So because of this, I have taken short position in the stock, and I have changed my view from buying to selling, because market was showing that it was in green, but stock is showing that no, price will be heading down. So I will consider the weightage of stocks much more as compared to the market in this scenario, because all these stocks are the component of that Nifty 50. So we can see some kind of major trend following from the market, but even if whatever the character that a particular stock has, that will actually prevail ultimately. So that is why I have chosen the path of the stock here. And what indication that I got in the morning why price, if I will take a short position, I will there will be more chance of booking profit over here. See this sharp decline of the prices, and it is just a pullback. So again, classical downtrend may have started over here. So first high, second high, and this now this is acting as a nearest support level. If this will be broken, price will be heading down. So starting of downtrend, I have picked this stock, and actually it should be traded over here, but opportunity was provided over here. No worry, we will trade over there also. So I have booked profit in this stock with the same analysis. I have all the regions for the buying, but eventually I actually see here how demand zone is working over here. So all the regions that I have actually got from the market to go for long, but whatever the character of stock has played major role in deciding what kind of trade I should take in this particular stock. So that is what I have done. I have gone along with the existing pressure in the stock. So last 3 days, stock has shown us that it will be heading down. So you can see here 11, 12, 13, and today is 14. So extension of last 3 days we can consider. That is what I have done. I have shorted this stock on 215, and on 213 was my stop loss, 216 was my cost price. So around 1 is to 2 risk reward I have booked in this stock. But the time frame that I was actually choosing is 1 minute, because this kind of range bound market has pushed us to reconsider our money management, but that I'm not going to do that. Even if at least I want 1 is to 1.5, to achieve that I will lower my time frame. That is what I have done. So this is also part of a learning lesson from this particular trade. So this is all about today's trade plan, guys. Thank you. Keep watching, keep trading, and most important, keep learning, because learning is the only thing that will keep you in the market forever. So thank you, take care, and bye.